Hello students, let's continue with the topic types and drafting of business letters. Today we are going to discuss the topic circular letters. Now what a circular letter? Now a circular letter is a freely distributed letter or pamphlet on routine matters of an organization. Here, for example, you can say on a certain occasion, a businessman has to communicate some message to a large number of his customers and suppliers. For this reason, he has to use circular letter. Now, this circular letter has the same message. So, the person who is writing or drafting a circular letter has to keep in mind it should be written in an attractive style, appropriate tone, and it should be very effective. Now here the care must be taken that circular letters are very interesting. Here the reader will not pay attention or will not like to read a circular letter until and unless his attention is been attracted. Now for this reason what you have to do, you have to use catchy words, you have to use you can say different types of colors, fonts and matter. The writing should be very attractive. You should use very catchy sentences here. In this reason, in this way, sorry, you can write circular letter. Now, this circular letter has mainly four objectives. First one is to obtain the publicity of writing circular letter. The second one is to make the reader interested in the content. Third objective is to impress the reader with the facts and information about the firm, its policy and the events that may be necessitated for the sending of the circular letter to particular reader here. And the other one is to gain confidence of the reader here. So these are the main four objectives for which the person writes a circular letter. Now this circular letter are mainly written in different situations. You can say different occasions. Now first one is opening of a new shop or a branch or expansion of a firm. If you are opening a new shop, if you are expanding your business, you are opening a new branch or a firm here, for that reason you can write circular letter. The other one is change in address or premises. So it is very important for all your customers to know that there is change in address or premises of your company. For that reason you can write circular letter. Or if you want to introduce a new product to your customers, then you can write a circular letter. After that, if your there is reduction in the price of your commodities, or if you are you can say announcing clearance sales, then you can use circular letters. Then if you are obtaining an agency, or if there is a new partner with you in your firm and you want to introduce you to your customers, introduce the partner to your customers, that time you can write circular letter. Or if there is a retirement or death of a partner, then if you want to inform it to all your customers, then also you can write circular letter. And if there is any change in the constitution of the firm, any policy of the firm which you want your customers to know, at that time also you can write circular letter. Now all this situation, all this occasion we are going to see one by one. Now first one is opening a new shop or a branch. Now you can say here, when you want to draft a circular letter where you are announcing opening of a new branch, then how will you write? First thing, the name and address of a new branch in your letter should be written. After that, you have to inform about the development of the business and its opportunity elsewhere. Why have you started the new branch there? Then you have to write the date of opening of a new branch. You have to describe about the goods and services which you are going to offer in that branch. And you have to invite the customer to your new branch or store for the personal attention of him to come and claim for the goods and services. And you have to name, sometimes name, qualification and experience of the manager of the new branch should also be informed to the person, the customer whom you have written this circular letter. We are going to see the sample of such type of letter here. See here. A circular letter announcing the opening of a new branch in a city. Now, as I told you, where you have started the new branch, you have to write the name of the firm and the new address there in the letter itself, only first where you have started, then the date when you are drafting this letter to your customer, salutation, and here your letter starts. See here, you have to start with catchy sentences here to attract the attention of the reader. So how you will start here? We have come to your city. See now, this sentence, this particular sentence tells the person will find it very interesting. Yeah, they have come to our city. Now we don't have to pay extra charges for transportation and all, and so they will find it very interesting and they may start reading your entire letter. Otherwise, what happens, children, the people, businessmen, they are usually very busy. They don't pay attention to this kind of letters here. They feel that they are just, the person is just advertising, so they don't pay attention. So to attract the attention in the first line itself, you have to, the first line itself should be such catchy that the person will come to know what is your main objective of writing the letter. So here, as you are starting the new branch in the city, you have to write, we have come to your city. Do you wish to come to your home? Do you wish us to come to your home? Means you are trying to take like permission or to them. You are trying to tell them that we are really interested to come there if you permit us. So you can just start like that, and then after that, just within 5 years of being established, King Electronics have made a name in supply of anything and everything in electrical domestic appliances. Having won the appreciation of our customers in North Market for our goods and services, we have now opened on 29th September a branch in your city. The address is given above. Now first you have to tell them that how successful you are in doing this business. So for this reason you are trying to expand your business in the other area too, and the date when you are opening the firm there in that particular city, and you have to give the address which is given here. After that, you have to tell them about the products which are there in the new firm. See here, King Electronics are the largest stockists of all types of electrical appliances for your home. It will be pleasure to assist you in the purchase, fitting and maintenance of your domestic electrical equipment. Then you can tell them that we can give you service if you permit us. So, and what service you can provide them? Purchase of electrical product, you can purchase fittings from them, and if you need any maintenance of electrical appliances, for that reason also service can be provided. You are like informing them here. Then you will get specialized service from us in installing various electrical gadgets at your house. Means once you purchase the electrical appliances from our firm, we are providing you specialized service to install those electrical gadgets there in your house. That also you have to inform them. Can we offer our advice on your cooking and heating arrangements for we sell quite a new and safe appliances. Now here it is like you are telling them that in our firm we also provide cooking and heating appliances here, safe appliances here, and we can also provide you service where we will give you demo and we can provide you advice here. So perhaps you may be planning the purchase of an electric cooking range. We have a wide selection. You tell them that we have all those things in our firm. An illustrated catalog is enclosed to assist you to select the right one, and we are also enclosing the things, the products which we have in our firm, that you are informing them. We also have a large assorted stock of refrigerator, washing machine, geysers, electrical kettles, mixer, grinders, toasters and ovens. What all you have to inform them. The enclosed postage free card completed and sent by you will give us an important appointment with you. Now along with the catalog, with the letter we are sending the catalog, then you are also sending a postage free card which the the customer has to fill it. When the person fills it, it is like the person wants you to come to their house and they want a demo, or you can say guidance regarding what all things you have in your firm and how can they purchase it. So for this reason, it is like you are granting them a permission to come to your house. Then you also have to mention the timing here. After that, you have to mention the timings there, where at which time you will be it will be convenient for you to go to their house, and the days too should be mentioned in the letter itself. And you should very politely tell them that we would be very glad if you call them. We call us. See here. And when if they call you, then what service you can give them? You can give them demo, assistance in selection of the electrical appliances, you advise on electrical fittings, discussion on anything that is electrical. Whatever you want to ask them, you can ask them. So you are most welcome to our showroom at the above address. You should also say that if you don't want us to come to your house, you can also come and visit our showroom. We will be glad if you visited our firm. That you have to inform or tell the person. Then complimentary close. You're cordially XYZ. I hope you have understood this. This is only one, you can say, first type of circular letter. Now other is, next one is expansion of a, you can say, firm here, or you can say this, sorry, it's not expansion of a firm, because everything comes here in the same topic, in new shop, branch, or expansion of a firm in a new city. That is one and the same. The other one is change in address of premises. Means if you're changing your address, you're shifting your firm to other place, you're changing the premises. For that reason also you can write a circular letter. It can be like this here. A circular letter announcing change in premises. Now, if you are writing a circular letter announcing change in premises, first you have to keep in mind, you have to give the new address as far as possible at the beginning of the body of the letter itself. After that, you have to write date, salutation, and you have to give reasons. You have to explain the reasons for change, mainly the expansion of the business requiring larger accommodation, you can say, or lack of it in the old building for that reason. So you have to very nicely explain it to the customer that why you are changing your address here. So here you can say, we have moved from our old address 9 Tilak Road, Mysore, to Somya Building dash dash Mysore. Now, in the last 10 years, we have grown with your patronage and cooperation so much that our old premises became too small for us. Here you are giving the reason that the old premises is not, you can say, adjustable for you all. It is not okay with you all now, as your business is, you can say, expanding day by day. So for this reason, you want a new place, where a big place here where you can do the business nicely. So many a time it was so crowded in the store that the customers calling us had to wait outside. So you have to very nicely give reason how it was inconvenient for the customers here, because it was a very small place. Now you will feel it pleasant to call on Shah and Shah Traders. You have easy parking facilities, convenient bus routes, and pleasant spacious department inside the new store. Means you have to tell them what are the benefits of this new store. You can inform them that the parking facility is there. When you visit our place here, you won't find any parking problems. And then if you are coming by public transport, then also convenience bus route is available here. It is in such a located in such a, you can say, comfortable place, and it is also very spacious, so you won't have any problem here. Sectionalization of our sales counter has helped to reduce crowding even during rush hours. Now you can say that we have very nicely planned everything in our new firm here. We have, you can say, divided all the sections here. We have segregated all the sections here according to, you can say, our products here. So there will be no crowd here, even there when it is rush hours, means when there are customers at the same time coming. The separate packing and cash sections are to make your shopping in store convenient and easy. Your Lux store has more sections now to provide the new lines of goods that we have added to satisfy you. Now as we have started, we have taken a spacious place here, so we have added more products in our firm. That also you have to inform them. Items such as pre-recorded cassettes, greeting cards appropriate to all occasions, stationery, photo frames, novelties, gifts item, etc. What all you have added in your form, that you have to inform them, are added to our existing stock. A visit to Shah and Shah Trader has become an experience in itself. Means you will find it very pleasant while visiting our store. Our interior display is attractive and you will find it pleasing to the eye. Means we have very nicely designed a new firm. The window display, the outside cannot escape the eye of even a hurrying passerby. Means it is such attractively designed that even the person who feels he doesn't want to look will have to look at our store here or visit our store here. It's such a nicely designed store. Now you, if there is change in your contact number, that also should be informed here. See, they have informed. Remember, our contact number remains the same. Ring us or call us at the new shop for any of your personal or family purchases. At that, now here they are telling here that the contact number remains the same, but if you are making change in the contact number, sometimes what happen, if you are going to the other city and also there is change in the number, in that case you have to inform them that there is change in the number. If there is no change, that also you have to inform them in your letter. Make Shah and Shah Traders your pleasant shopping center. At the end you have to write cordially yours. So in this way you have to make an appeal to the customer to continue extending his patronage to you. You have to tell them why you have changed the address, what is the reason behind it, how it can be beneficial for the reader or the customer here. And if there is any other changes here, if you have added new stock in your firm, or if you have changed in the number also, any other changes, you have to inform in the same letter here. After that, we are going to see introducing a new product. Now change in address or premises. Now first we had seen change in address. Now we can also see here, see. Now we can also say here, now suppose if the person wants to announce the manufacture of a new machine, he wants to inform it to all his traders here, all his customers here. So how will he inform? How will he tell them that I have started, or I have introducing a new product, or I have manufactured a new machine here, and you want it to know, you want all your customers to know. So how will you write a letter for the same? See here, first and the foremost thing, when you are drafting such type of letter, you have to arrest, or you can say attract the attention of the reader with some appealing statement here. You have to briefly outline your progress in general and make a particular reference to the regular improvement made by your firm for the customer's convenience here. You have to give news of the new product that you have introduced. So you have to describe the few features, utility of this new product. You have to appreciate the customer's patronage in the past and request him to continue the same. You have to suggest a trial order in the same letter to the customer. So let's see here. Now here the person is writing circular letter to announce the manufacture of a new machine. See here. Dear patron, means the customer here, I have for you some red hot news. It's so hot, I can't hold it. Means you are in this, with this catchy statements, you are trying to attract the attention of the reader here. I am really itching to pass on this news to you as soon as possible. See, let me first tell you something about the past. Means, as you know, with a view to expanding our line of production, we took up in 1985 the production of offset presses. We had to face many odds because we did not want to press to bring down the prestige and reputation that Printwell has. You did get the offset press as modern and efficient as the print well. Letter presses, which was successfully introduced in 1973 and completely redesigned in 1974. Now you are getting 22 by 34 PW offset press, completely designed and manufactured in India. Now what happened in the first paragraph? You are trying to tell them that first the person had problem, or first they were not able to do something because of their insufficiency and all, but now as they are growing in the business, so they want to make some new changes which can be beneficial for the customer. So now our technical department, by dint of their hard labor day in day out for about 5 years, has designed 22 by 434 two-color perfector press. It is in the final stage of testing and you will get in December this year. But here is the big news. In technical collaboration with Heidelberg, the famous German printing press manufacturers, we are introducing PW Hedel offset press in India. This press will consist of, see, you have to mention the size. That's the news I wanted to give you. If you are planning to install an offset press shortly, do contact us. Means if you are planning to install such kind of press here, such kind of machine, then you can contact us. We shall send you now, if you are interested, the photographs and technical details of this press, which you shall get in the market next month. Means now as we are just introducing here and testing period is going on, so we can just send you the photographs and technical details. In the next month we shall introduce you in the market. Introduce it in the market. Of course, Printwell will continue to supply you the small offset press up to the size you have to mention and complementary close. In this way, whenever you have to keep in mind, whenever you are introducing a new product to your customer, you should always try to you can say arouse interest of the reader in reading your letter. For this reason, you have to write catchy statement. In the first paragraph, you have to very briefly tell them about the progress in the journal in your past, how you did business with them, and then what you yourself felt there are shortcomings and you wanted to improve, so you are introducing a new thing in the market to have a good business with the customers. And then afterwards you should request them for the trial order and ask them to visit or ask them to ask for more further details of the product. So today we had seen, children, what are circular letters, objectives of circular letter, and what are the occasions when circular letters are written. Today we have seen only 3 you can say occasions when circular letters are written. Other 5 we are going to discuss in our next lecture. Thank you.